Now let us discuss the third question. You see the question carefully, read it properly. To conduct a sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. So ABCD is a school ground. The shape is rectangular. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder. These are the lines drawn with chalk powder. Chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. The distance is how much? 1 meter, like this. Okay. So from here to here 1 meter, next 1 meter, next 1 meter, like this. Okay. Each distance is 1 meter. 1 meter from each other along then at a distance of 1 meter each. Full point. Next. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in the figure. So along the line AD, there are how many pots? 100 pots are there. So these are the pots. So each distance is how much? That is also 1 meter. Okay. Here each line distance is 1 meter, and along AD there are 100 pots. Each of distance is also 1 meter. So what is the length of the AD, I will ask now. So along AD there are 100 flower pots. Therefore the length of AD must be 100 meter, because each pot at a distance of 1 meter. So there are 100 pots are there. Therefore length of AD is equal to 100 meter. Then now Niharika runs one-fourth the distance AD on the second line. So in this line Niharika is running along the AD 1/4 of the distance AD. On second line she is moving. Okay. So 1/4 of the distance of AD. So AD distance is already 100 meter. 1/4 of AD, it means what? 1/4 into 100. That is how much? 25 meter. So she is running. So away from AB is 25 meter. She is on the second line. Okay, Niharika. Second line, and post a green flag. So I assume that she post a green flag at this position. What are the coordinates of this point? So the coordinates of this point will be 2, 25. How I written it? So Niharika is in the second line. So it means the x coordinate will be 2 units. Means 2 it is. Then to find y coordinate, they said that she is running 1/4 of the AD length. So AD length is already 100 meter. Therefore 1/4 of 100 is 25 meter. Okay. So right now solution. What is that solution? Length of AD. Length of AD is equal to 100 meter. Okay. Now position of green flag. Position of green flag. Green flag. I will take that as Z. What is that? 2, 25. Okay. Next, afterwards you see, Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD. So Preet runs 1/5 of the distance. Niharika 1/4 of the distance AD. Now Preet 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line. Okay. So he is on the 8th line. She is on second line. On the 8th line, and post a red flag. So Preet post a red flag. I will take it as R. Then I will ask you now, what is the coordinates of the point R? Means positions of red flag. Position of red flag will be 8, 20. Why it is 20? 1/5 of AD. It means 1/5 into 100. That is what? 20 only. Okay. Since E is on the 8th line, x coordinate must be 8. Now what I can write here? Position of which flag? It is red flag. Red flag. That I have taken it as R. 8, 20. Right? Next, what is the distance between both the flags? First we have to find the distance between these two flags. That is GR or RG. Distance we have to find. Then one more they ask, what is that? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag, if Rashmi has one more girl, so she wish to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. Where should she post her flag? First we have to find the distance between these 2 points, these 2 flags. Then after one more we have to find what? If Rashmi is one more girl, she wish to post a flag in between, exactly the halfway between the line segment between G and R. It means, so there is a point B which must be the midpoint of GR line segment. Okay. So now we can find the point B by applying midpoint formula, and we find the distance between G and R by applying a distance formula. Okay. Now let us find the distance. GR is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Now let us substitute the values under root of this. I will take x1 y1, this as x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square, 8 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 20 minus 25 whole square. Now this is equals to under root of 8 minus 2, 6. 6 square value is how much? 36 plus 20 minus 25 is minus 5. Minus 5 square value it is plus 25. So this is how much? Square root of 61. So this I can write it is in meter. So the distance between the green flag and the red flag is square root of 61 meter. And one more, they asked you to find the position of the blue flag, that is B. Okay, position of blue flag it is position of blue flag is, what is that? Bx comma y. Okay, now we have to find bx comma y. That bx comma y is the midpoint of GR. Okay, so therefore bx comma y is equal to, now what is the midpoint formula? x2 plus x1 by 2 comma y2 plus y1 by 2. Otherwise like this also you can write x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, same only. Now write the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now substitute the values. So here I can take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. For this midpoint formula you can take anyone as x1 y1, anyone as x2 y2. Okay. Now x1 plus x2 means 2 plus 8 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2, 25 plus 20. 25 plus 20 divided by 2. So this is how much? 2 plus 8, 10, 10 by 2 it is 5, comma 25 plus 20, 45. 45 divided by 2. So bx comma y is 5 comma 45 by 2. Now you write the conclusion. Therefore, what is the conclusion? The distance between green flag and red flag is square root of 61. So square root of 61 meter. That is what? Distance between green flag and red flag. Okay, you write the conclusion. And next, position of blue flag. Position of blue flag is 5 comma 45 by 2. Okay. At the end you write the conclusion. But here no need to draw this diagram.